Hello guys, this is the Xbox 360 JTAG. I'm using the Freestyle Dash 3. Maraming bago na nadagdag dito. So dito is yung nakasort na lahat, and all of them were arranged at the old style or previous menus of the Xbox. Here on the upper left corner you can see the temperature, CPU, GPU, and memory temperature, and case temperature. And then on the upper right, where you can see the remaining disk space of your hard drive, and here at the bottom we have certain menus, libraries, utilities. We have the file manager, where you can copy your games from hard disk to hard disk, and DVD extract. If you have a game and you want to save on your hard drive or external hard drive, you can use this one by just clicking or pressing. And then be sure that you have a DVD game on your Xbox, so that Xbox can extract all the games. And also there's a weather where you can check the weather. Kaya lang problema natin, since sa Pilipinas hindi pwede dito. And then the next one is the setup. Setup is the settings ng Xbox natin. You can customize, you can change the wallpapers, other menus, and especially the skins and the credits. Ayan, okay. As you can see my version, the Freestyle Dash 3. And then on the lower part we have the Dash 3B Revision 735. And I'm using the Xbox version 2 16.202. Okay, so let's start. Okay, another one is the library. Library is the last one. If you have a DVD game, you just insert your DVD, and then on the first part you can see I have an open tray. So if I'm going to insert a DVD game, I can launch the game here. And then I have here the what do you call this, profile, where you can see the last game that you have played, and Xbox 360 games, where all my games were saved on my hard drive, on my external and my internal hard drive. Here you can see all the games. I have already 83 games, and you can see all the games that is sort out. You can change the menus, you can change all settings. You can sort out the layout, so you can change the layout by pressing X. That's it. So pili lang kayo kung ano yung gusto nyong type ng menu. And then the next one is we have the Xbox Live Arcade. If you have downloaded Live Arcade, though hindi tayo pwede mag-online, we can download it from the internet and then save it to our hard drive. Currently I have here a Sonic Generation demo. And then the next one is the Homebrews. I have here an application which is called FF Player, where I can play my MKV movie. Though Xbox cannot play MKV video file format, with this application you can play the MKV file format. And last one is the Xbox Classic. If you have the ISO games of your previous Xbox One, automatically it will be sorted out here. And then the emulator, currently my emulator is, I'm using the Sega emulator, where I can play the by the way, the NES emulator, Sega, and other emulators. Yan. So that's it. So if you're going to play all the games, by the way, if you want this Freestyle 3, just look at my account, or I can give you my contact number. Just follow me on my Facebook account, facebook.com/mixmusic, or facebook.com/shidercruz, and then just follow me, and then just send me a short message if you want this type of dashboard. Okay, so that's it. So hello, and this is Alex, and see you.